to use 0.5 zoom on Android camera. So if you would like to use ultra-wide camera on your Android phone, then I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between 0.5 and 1x zoom on your device. Let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and find the camera on your home screen or swipe up for app drawer and find it from here. Now tap to open. So I'm just gonna tap while using the app. On the top of the screen, you will see some icons, including 50M, which is 50 megapixel camera. If you have chosen 50M, then you won't be able to switch to 0.5x zoom. You just need to click on the 50M to switch to 12M camera. And now, above the camera shutter button, you will see panel with numbers. So we got here 1x, 2, 3, and also 0.5, or in my case it is 0.6 for some reason. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just tap on the 0.6 to turn that on. And now, as you can see, I can capture a lot more than on just 1x zoom. Also, another option how you can switch is to swipe left on this panel, just like that, to see the little slider which you can adjust. And now you can capture everything around you just using this camera. And by the way, to easily access the camera app, you can just add it to your lock screen. For that, tap on the settings. Then tap lock screen, click here on the edit lock screen, and then tap on the bottom icons to switch to the camera. Let's just find it in the list and click down to confirm. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.